Hello everyone, welcome back to Dev Portal, where we simplify programming concept for you. Today we are diving into the world of integral data types in Java. Integral data types are the backbone of any Java program, as they allow us to work with the whole numbers, both positive and negative. Understanding these types is crucial for efficient and effective coding. In Java, we have four integral data types: byte, short, int, and long. Each of these has a specific range and use case. Let's break them down. First, let's talk about byte. The byte data type is an 8-bit signed integer, meaning it can hold values from -128 to +127. It is perfect for saving memory in the large arrays where we don't need a large range of values. Next, we have short. This is 16-bit signed integer. It offers a bit more range while still being memory efficient. The most commonly used integral type is int. It is a 32-bit signed integer. It is default choice for integer values in Java. For really large numbers, we have long. This is 64-bit signed integer which can store massive values. How these values will be stored in memory I explained in the previous video by taking an example of byte data type. If you are not sure how these values will get stored in the memory, then I suggest you to go and watch that video as well. Link I will give you in the description part. Now let's see how we can create and access integral data types in Java. I am using STS. If you want, you can use IntelliJ or Eclipse as well, or any other Java online compiler will also be fine. Byte variable equal to 10. This is how we can declare a variable in Java. First we need to mention data type, then variable name, then we need to use equal to operator, and then the value. Then short variable equal to 100, then int variable equal to 1000, and then long. To assign long values to a variable, we need to use capital L or small l after the value, otherwise it will take integer as a default value. So if I don't provide L, it will give me the syntax error. If I provide capital L, it will work fine. Even small l will also work. So this is how we can create variables in Java. Now let's see how we can access those variables. For accessing, I will use system.out.println statement to print those values in the console. Sysout. First I will try to print byte. And I will copy this line and paste, and we'll change the text. Short, int, long, and I will change the variable names as well. Short, int, long. So I will try to run this program, and you can see in console it is printing those values. Choosing the right integral data types is all about balancing the range you need and with the memory efficiency. Use byte and short when you need to save memory and the range is sufficient. Use int for general integer calculation and long for very large integer values. This is the quick overview of the integral data types in Java. I hope this helps you in making an informed decision while coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.